Hello my dear friends, today we make a very simple cauliflower recipe for you. But before making a cauliflower recipe, I tell you some advantages and benefits of eating cauliflower. Cauliflower contains a various nutrients, it's high in fiber and lots of antioxidants is present in cauliflower. It helps in to reduce weight loss, high in choline, and is rich in sulfur freinds. Friends, cauliflower is a cruciferous vegetable belongs from Brassicaceae, which includes broccoli, kale and cabbage. The name cauliflower derives from Latin word chillies, which means the cabbage with flower. Cauliflower contains a lots of vitamins such as vitamin C, folate, vitamin K, vitamin B and vitamin E. It consists a lots of vital minerals such as calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, zinc, sodium and iron without any harmful cholesterol. Cauliflower is considered in four main groups: Asian, Italian, Northwest European, Venetian and Northern European. Annuals represented by hundreds of varieties. The green color cauliflower is referred to a broccoli flower. It can found in normal curd shape form as well as in a special variety called Romanesco broccoli. Purple antioxidant groups consist of anthocyanin present in the purple hides a variety of color. Orange cauliflower is known as a variety of nutrients and immense amount of vitamins A. Iron present in a cauliflower helps to better absorb the blood. It helps to increase production of hemoglobin in human body. It also improves bone growth of our body. Cauliflower contains vitamin C, plays important roles in the production of collagen that protects from joints and bone from inflammatory damage and helps in the rheumatoid arthritis, increase the level of vitamin C. So, my dear friends, without wasting it, the ingredients I use in this recipe is 1 cut pieces of tomatoes, 1 cut pieces of onions, 2 or 3 garlics, 2 chillies, 2 tablespoons of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of onion and 1 pasta masala and 5 tablespoons of mustard oil. Now take a pan and add 3 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan and warm it. After warming, add some garlics in a mustard oil. Add cut pieces of onions in a mustard oil pan and cooked it for 4 to 5 minutes. Now add cut pieces of tomatoes in a mustard oil pan and cooked it for 4 to 5 minutes. When the color is changes into deep brown, it means our cauliflower gravy is ready. Cook all the ingredients gently. Now add 1 tablespoon of salt. Now our gravy is well cooked and I add cut pieces of cauliflowers and potatoes in a gravy and cooked it for 7 to 8 minutes. And when the color is changes into deep brown, it means our cauliflower recipe is well cooked. Cooked all the ingredients in a gently way for 7 to 8 minutes. Dear friends, cauliflower is extremely low in carbs and therefore does not rise blood glucose level. 1 cup of cauliflower has only 2.9 grams of carbs. Lettuce and cauliflower soup is a perfect delicacy for a healthy life, and its also help is controlling the weight loss of our human body. Cauliflower is rich in vitamin C. It's also rich in lots of antioxidants, and being rich in antioxidants, cauliflower helps to remove harmful substances called free radicals from our body. These free radicals need to be neutralized in the body as they comes in lot of different grades, and you need to neutralize that by consuming different antioxidants rich foods. Only one food will not do the tricks, but remember to consume a rainbow of colorful vegetables and fruits daily. Cauliflower is also rich in vitamin K, which is good for bone metabolism. And bones metabolism is a continuous process where mature bone tissues is removed from the skeleton and replaced by new tissues. When injuries occur to the bones like fracture or bruises, then vitamin K kicks in to heal the injury. Vitamin K prevents loss of bones density and preventing the onset of osteoporosis. My dear friends, cauliflower helps in blood clotting, is rich in vitamin K, which is crucial role in blood clotting and helps clots, bounce and bleedings. As a result of its grilled cauliflower is an interesting way of gaining these nutrients. Importance for women being rich in indolence, cauliflowers and other cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, kale, radish, Brussels sprouts, red cabbage maintains estrogen balance. Cauliflower is good for maintain the estrogen balance. Estrogen hormones is more important to women and also called the female sex hormones, which is crucial for reproductive and sexual development. Combines it with another vitamin A rich source Spanish to create. Cauliflower's health benefits: it's anti-cancer, rich in antioxidants, low carbs, weight loss, rich in vitamin C, good for bones. So my dear friends, thank you for watching Parvinder Singh Cooking.